I'm so glad my friend Chris is here. This is the Tower Bridge, downtown Sacramento. Great landmark here. Beautiful gold bridge. It's the gateway to old Sacramento. And all kinds of things always happening in old Sacramento. I love it. Absolutely love it here. I really do. Like here comes a steam train right there. Can you see it? That's the real deal, Holyfield. From the Sacramento Railroad Museum, which is truly the greatest railroad museum. If you're into old trains, it's the best I've ever seen. Ever. Make plans if you're a train buff. Anyway, why I'm here is today, October 17th, the Trump Boat Parade. Now I missed it when it happened the first time, but I didn't want to miss it this time. Here it is. Look at this. Man, oh man. Awesome. Hi, little pup. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. Love dogs. Love dogs. Look at this. Look how fantastic this is. Yeah, it's on both sides. Woo! Man, I had to experience this for myself. Look at that, even the dudes on jet skis. This is exciting. This is fun. I don't care where you stand politically. When this kind of stuff happens, and it's not a protest and there's no stupid violence, there's no vandalism, just expressing your support for a candidate or for a political party, that's fantastic. That's America. That's what makes America great. This. No violence, no foul language, no nudity. There's kids here. People even bringing their dogs down. Are you serious? This is fantastic. I like this shirt. What's this shirt? Can I show your shirt? Made in China. Thank you, Marine. Thank you. Love the dog. German Shepherd. Love it. Come on. This is great, isn't it? This is great. Come on now. Holla, everyone. God bless America, land that I love. All right. Hello, Marine.
How you doing?
Well, thank you. Hoorah. Hoorah.
You a Marine?
Army.
Army? Oh, I'm for your service.
You too. I missed the first boat parade. I just couldn't miss this one, man.
I was at the first one.
Oh.
Then we went to Mendon.
Yeah.
We went to Mendon.
I'll be doing that tomorrow. He's coming back, you know.
Carson City.
He's coming back, Carson City, yeah.
Yeah, I heard. Is it tomorrow?
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
And
I'll tell you what, I enjoyed it, but I would never do it again.
how come?
My age?
I'm doing a video. You mind if you're on it?
No, not
Okay.
at all.
Your age? What about your age?
I'm 78, and 8 hours in the hot sun.
Oh
Yeah, there was no seats.
No, yeah, you got to bring your own or you're standing the whole
Well,
time.
you bring your own, and you bring something cheap because they take it. They take everything.
They take your seat?
They take your
They take
seat.
your chair.
They take your chair away from you. When you go in, they take any signs that you have. The only people that can get in with any kind of thing is a cane or a walking stick.
I didn't know. Thanks for the heads up.
No liquids. You'll have to put all of the liquids in a bin. They give you water.
Okay, good.
They give you water.
It's exciting though. I mean, how many
It-
times
it-
you get to do something like that in your lifetime?
And that my friend and I both went,
Right.
and we did this. We felt the same way because we love Trump. I mean, it's here.
But just the sheer experience of it too.
Well-
Like I was just saying, I don't care where your political preference lies. This is America right here. There's no violence. There's no nudity. There's no foul language. No
We were
vandalism.
sitting about six rows from the front, and when President Trump, he had to take the beast down from Reno.
The beast, yeah.
Yeah, he had to. So when he came there and they started playing that song, I mean, the air just went out of the arena. I mean, it was something you felt in your bones. Something you never feel again. I mean, it's amazing how he affects the crowd. I mean,
Well, he's going to be in Carson City, Nevada tomorrow at 4 o'clock. You can get free tickets. Show up to the event. Gates open at 1 o'clock. It's going to be at the airport.
I'd get there early.
Yeah, get there early. Yeah.
Get there early because
Well, pleasure. What's your name?
they call me Gunny. I'm a retired,
Gunny. All right.
retired Marine.
That's a good one, Gunny. All right, thank you, Gunny.
You betcha.
Gunnery Sergeant. I love it. It's fantastic. I like the guys on the jet skis with the flags. Right on, dudes. Right on. Man, they've done it up right. Look at that boat. Woo!
Yeah, there were more people that were older, but they had seats, so they could sit here like that.
Check out that boat. That's one of those cigarette boats, man.
I'd like to see him get it.
That is amazing. So would I. Come on.
Get it!
Jump on it. Make a wedge, buddy. Hello. That is a beauty. Man, I can't get over that boat.
If he hit that, he's drawing 3 people behind him.
Get it, buddy. Jump on it. This is just fantastic. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Later. All right. Hello. There you go. Just wanted to share it with you. The Trump boat parade. People have got their loudspeakers out here. People obviously honking their horns. USA! USA! Wow, isn't that cool? Fantastic. I had to see it, man. I had to experience it. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. If anything else goes on, I'll be sure to let you know. Right now, though, oh, here comes a great rat rod. Check this out. Couple of great ones. Yeah! That's fantastic. It's about 1.5 inches off the ground. Woo! great day to be alive. May God bless you and keep you, and may God bless America.